Creating a logo. Now, I am not going to be like most business coaches and educators, where I'm going to sit here and tell you that your logo is the most important thing about your brand. It's not. In my professional opinion and through my experience through owning several businesses, your logo is not the most important part of your brand. Your people, who you serve, is the most important part of your brand. And so I don't want you to stress too much about creating a logo, because guess what? Your logo will change over time. Your logo will mature over time, and that's okay. We have seen major brands kind of like tweak and change their logo as time goes on, and that's okay. So what I want you to do when you get into Canva is, after you set up your brand colors in your brand hub, and after all that, I want you to come up here to the search bar, and I want you to type in logo and then click templates. It's going to give you literally thousands of logo options to choose from. Like literally thousands of options. I want you to pick a logo that is simple, that feels like you, that feels like it could be something that you would enjoy and are proud of sharing. Don't think too much about it. I don't want you to spend too much time here. I just want you to pick something that works, something that goes along with your vibe. You know, if you have more of a feminine vibe, you might come here. If you have more of a bolder, more outgoing vibe, you might want to go here. Do you see what I'm saying? So don't spend too much time here. Just get it done is my biggest advice for you. Just get it done. So we'll just pick one right here. Let's see. Which one do I want to edit? Let's see. Let's do, does this one look familiar? I believe this is where I got my logo. This is where I started with my logo. I changed this out to Brittany Bruce. I added BB in a really cool cursive font. Let's see. You want to see it? Do you want to see it? Let's see. Let's go back here. Go to my brand hub. You notice I just added the color different. I changed the BB and then I added Brittany Bruce. I got that from me just searching logo, and then I found that one and I liked it, and here we go. All right, let's change this one. Customize this template. Here we go. I'm going to edit one for you. All right, I'm going to change the background color to this. Let's do that one. I'm going to change this to BB. I'm going to change this to Brittany Bruce. I'm going to change this to podcaster. And this is, obviously for a personal brand. Well, let's do educator and podcaster. Boom, done. There's my logo for now. Okay, so again, please don't spend a lot of time on this. You can also, tweak it where, let me show you this feature. This is duplicate page. You can duplicate it and switch it out to different colors of your brand, like this. Boom. Here's another, well, this is a little, let's change this to that too. Here's another option. Do you see? Same logo. I just kind of tweaked out my brand colors to the logo. All right, when you're done, let's do BB logo. We're going to change, this is the name of the file that's going to go on your computer. You're going to go to share. You're going to go to download. You're going to download it as a PNG file. PNG means picture. It's just like a JPEG. This is a picture. This is a picture. So either one of these are good. PNG is great for complex images and illustrations like a logo. Okay. And then obviously PDF and PDF print, PDF standard, those are going to be for your freebies. This is going to be for your videos and so on. So this is your pictures. Go with the Canva suggestion. That's always a smart way to go. So you're going to share, you're going to click download, and you're going to download, and now it's going to be on my desktop or in my downloads as BB logo, and then I can add them to my brand hub. That is as simple as that. Please do not spend a lot of time. Do not stress about your logo. If you want to send me your logo for a review, I can give you some feedback about it, especially if you're in the mastermind. If you're in the mastermind, definitely send me your logo for a review, and then I can give you some feedback on it.